Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 3 best backpacking water filter that you should buy. Let's get started. First up is the Sawyer Products Mini Water Filtration System. The Sawyer Mini provides a basic inline filter solution with some added attachments. It comes with a mini filter, a 16-ounce squeeze pouch, a drinking straw, and a cleaning plunger. It's a versatile product that gives you multiple ways to drink from it. Plus, if none of those methods work, it also attaches to water bottles. Not only does it remove bacteria and protozoa, but also microplastics. What we really like is how long it lasts, as it's able to filter water up to 100,000 gallons. The company doesn't even offer new cartridges, considering that a brand new filter doesn't cost much. This filter is very tiny and will fit anywhere, even in your pocket. It provides a 0.1 micron rating. Up next is the Lifestraw Personal Water Filter. This is the best bang for your buck when it comes to backpacking water filters. The Lifestraw is a fraction of the cost compared to a higher-end pump or gravity filter. It has the benefit of being one piece and doesn't require other parts to operate. All this filter needs is a water source to draw from. We like that it's small and easily slips into your backpack. Plus, at only 2 ounces, you won't even notice it's taking up space. It only filters about 1,000 gallons, but it's so inexpensive that it won't set you back to pick up a new one. It removes 99.9999% of waterborne bacteria and 99.9% of waterborne protozoa. It filters down to 0.2 microns. Last up is the Platypus Gravity Works 4.0 liter. As the name suggests, the water filter uses gravity to do its work. Water goes into the dirty bag, which flows through a hose connected to a microfilter into a clean bag. One of the best parts about this filter is that it provides a gallon of water in minutes. It works great when you need large quantities in group settings or for cooking. The Platypus Gravity Works comes with 2 water bags, a microfilter, connecting hoses, a shut-off clamp, and a pouch for storage. Most importantly, it removes 99.9999% of bacteria such as E. coli and Salmonella, and 99.99% of protozoa such as Giardia. The best part is it doesn't require any effort on your end to filter it, as you only need to fill the dirty bag and hang it from somewhere up high. Usually, a tree works best as it has branches that can hook the bag straps around. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.